Okay, your first 20 prepositions to learn. So I will say them. I'll say it once, repeat after me. I'll say it a second time, repeat again, okay, so that you can get used to how they're pronounced. Okay, these are pretty simple though. So a is at or to. Con means with. Da, okay, from, by, or since. Di, of or from. In or into. Per means for. Okay, and then we have su, which is on or about. And finally, tra or fra, which is between or among. And again, these are interchangeable. Okay, and then we have what we call improper prepositions, which these are words, they can also serve as adverbs, verbs, or adjectives depending on the context. Okay, so you may see these next words here in the adverb, verb, or adjective lists as well, but I have them included here as prepositions because these are words that signify like I said, the position of something in relation to something else. So I'm just going to go over these here. Okay, so contro, which is against. Davanti, which is in front of. Dentro, inside. Dietro, behind. Dopo, after. Durante, during. Fuori, outside. Lontano, far. Prima is before. Sopra, above. And sotto, below. Vicino, near. Okay, so many of these are often used together with basic prepositions. Okay, so for example, lontano da, which is far from, or prima di, so before something, so prima di. So as you can see, lontano is from this list and da is from that list. Prima, which is right here, and di up here. Okay, so a lot of times they do just combine them into little phrases like that. Okay, excellent. And there you have it. Okay, we're done with prepositions.